Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. Drink plenty of water, children. Eat fresh fruits and vegetables. Okay? Take care of your health. Today, shall we pass on to the lesson? What's lesson? In what subject we are going to learn? Yes, today we are going to learn the subject English. In English, we are going to learn lesson 3 book exercises. Lesson 3 book exercises. Okay, shall we pass on to the next one? Can you guess what is this? Yes, a room is untidy, no? Yes, we learn about this lesson in the Zoom class itself, no? What's the name of the lesson? Do you have a guess? Yes, your guess is right. Lesson 3. Why did Seema fall? Very good. Why did Seema fall? Shall we start doing the book exercises? First, we are going to do comprehension. Comprehension. A. Circle the correct words. 1. Seema has a big or small room. Seema has a big or small room. I taught you in the class. Yes, small room. Seema has a small room. Good. Shall we pass on to the next? Number 2. The bed cover is RED red or BLUE blue? The bed cover is red or blue? The bed cover is blue. Yes, you are right. The third one. Seema's room is untidy. UNTIDY. Untidy or CLEAN. Clean. Untidy or clean. Seema's room is untidy or clean. The room is untidy because she keeps many things on the floor, many things on the bed, no? Yes, it looks very untidy. Yes. Now, shall we pass on to the fourth one? Look at the fourth one, children. One shoe is on the BED bed or CHAIR chair. One shoe is on the bed or chair. One shoe is on the chair. Very good. One shoe is on the chair and another one is under the bed. Very good. Very good. You all remember the lesson nicely. Look at the fifth one, children. Seema has MANY many or FEW few TOYS toys. Many or few toys. Seema has many or few toys. She is having many toys. Everywhere she kept it, no? Yes, many. MANY many. Now we complete part A. Shall we pass on to part B? Yes. Look at the part B, children. Part B. Seema runs into the room. What happens next? Number the sentences. Now we are going to give number for the sentences. Okay, number 1. She hurts her elbow. I show you the elbow in the class, no? Yes, she starts crying. And the third one, she trips on her back and falls. In these 3 situations, which one happened first? First, she fell down. Next, she get hurt. Next, she starts crying. Now, shall we write the numbers? Number 1, she trips on her back and falls. Number 2, she hurts her elbow. Number 3, she starts crying. Okay, shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to play with words. Part D, write the opposites of these words. Use words from the box. Here you have some words, no? Yes, CLEAN, clean. CRY, cry. UNDER, under. BELOW, below. Clean, cry, under, below. Number 1. ABOVE, above. Very good, above. What's the opposite of above? Above opposite? Below. BELOW, below. Good. Number 2. Number 2. Look at number 2. D-I-R-T-Y. Dirty. Dirty. What's the opposite for dirty? Clean. Good. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. C-L-E-A-N. Clean. Good. Look at number 3, children. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. L-A-U-G-H. Laugh. And what's the opposite for laugh? Cry. Very good. You all are correct. C-R-Y. Cry. And then number 4. Number 4. O-V-E-R. Over. O-V-E-R. Over. What's the opposite? Only one more left. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Very good. U-N-D-E-R. Under. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part D. The word blackboard. Blackboard is there in our class, no? Yes, it's made from the two words black and board. Look at the example and make new words. Choose words from the cloud. Cloud is here, no? Here they have given some answers. Look at here. Paper, shelf, cover, lace. Look at the first one. Book, B-O-O-K, book, plus S-H-E-L-F, shelf. When we add book plus shelf, what we get? Bookshelf. Very good. When we add B-E-D, bed, with paper, bed plus paper? No. Shelf we already used it, no? Then bed plus cover? Yes, very good. Bed plus cover, bed cover. Good. Bed plus cover, bed cover. Now look at the third one. N-E-W-S, news. Only two more left, no? News plus paper or lace. News plus lace, news lace, or news plus paper, newspaper. News plus paper, newspaper. Very good. P-A-P-E-R, paper. News plus paper, newspaper. When we add these two things, we can get newspaper. Okay. Now look at the fourth one. S-H-O-E, shoe plus, only one more left, no? L-A-C-E, lace. Shoe plus lace. Very good. Shoelace. Daily you tie it up, no? Yes. When you come to school, you tie this, no? Yes. Shoe plus lace, shoelace. Very good, children. Very good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to do part F. Part F. Spelling. Part F. Fill in A-I-R-A-Y to complete these words. Now we are going to use only two letters. A-I and A-Y. A-I and A-Y. You have to use these two words and you have to fill the dashes. Okay. Now number 1, C-H. Example is there. Look at here. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. So here what we use? A-I. Look at the next one. P-L-A-I. Fly. Is it correct? No. P-L-A-Y. Play. Very good. P-L-A-Y. Play. Now look at the third one. T-R-N. What we have to write? A-I or A-Y? T-R-A-I-N. Train. Very good. Third one. T-R-A-I-N. Train. Look at the fourth one. B-R-A-I or A-Y? B-R-A-I-N. Brain. Where is it? It's in the head. It's inside the head, no? Yes. Very good. Number 5. T-R-A-I or A-Y? Tray. Very good. T-R-A-Y. Tray. Play. Tray. Rhyming words, no? Yes. Now look at the last one. Number 6. P-R dash. P-R-A-I or A-Y? What we have to use? Daily we are doing that before starting the class. Yes, very good. We pray. Very good. P-R-A-Y. Pray. Shall we pass on to the next one, children? Yes. Now we are going to do grammar fun. Grammar fun. Look at here. Part G. Some words tell us about actions. Such words are called doing words or action words. Look at the pictures. Fill in the blanks with action words from the box. Fill in the blanks with the action words from the box. Okay? What are action words? Actions we are doing, no? Yawning, sleeping, running, walking. You are doing that, no? Those are all action words. Now, look at the box. SWIM, swim. SWIM, swim. EAT, eat. EAT, eat. PLAY, play. PLAY, play. CLIMB, climb. Very good. JUMP, jump. You all like to jump, no? Yes. READ, read. These are all some action words. Now we are going to match the words related to the pictures. Okay? Now look at here. What the boy is doing? He is climbing up the hill. Climb. What you had to say? Climb. 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 Good. Number 2. What the children are doing? They are eating. They are eating watermelon, no? Yes. EAT. Eat. Look at the third one. Yes, you all are correct. What the children are doing? They are jumping. Very good. JUMP. 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 Now, what's the fourth one? What the boy is doing? He is swimming. Good. What's the spelling for swim? SWIM. 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 Good. Number 5. What the girl is doing? She is playing with the ball. Very good. Play. What's the spelling for play? PLAY. Play. Good. Number 6. The children are sitting and reading the book. Just like you children. Yes. Read. Number 6. READ. Read. Very good. Now we are going to do part H. Part H. Fill in the blanks with words from the box. Here you have some words in the box, no? Yes. What are the words? RUN, run. HEAR, here. SEEC. CLAP, clap. TASTE, taste. SMELL, smell. What are the words? Run, hear, see, clap, taste, smell. Now look at the first question. We dash with our ears. How can we hear the sound? How can we? Yes, we use our ears to hear the sound. HEAR, hear. Very good. We dash with our hands. We clap with our hands. Very good. Very good. We clap with our hands. You learnt it already in the science lessons, no? Yes, it's easy for you. Yes, very good. Look at the third one, children. We dash with our nose. We smell. Very good. SMELL, smell. Very good. Number 4. We dash with our legs. We good. Run. Running also we can do. Jumping also we can do. Walking also we can do with our legs. Okay. Number 5. We dash with our tongue. We dash with our tongue. We taste. Your mummy made biryani. You are telling no? Yes, mummy, today biryani is so tasty. Yes. How do you taste it? By using your tongue. Very good. Number 6. We dash with our eyes. You are looking at the phone. You are watching television. How do you see that? By using your eyes. Very good. Shall we pass on to the next one? Now we are going to learn communication skills. Communication skills. Listening and speaking. Listening and speaking. Your teacher will call out some words. Listen carefully and tick the group words. Now your teacher will call out some words. Listen carefully and tick the group words. Now I am going to read the words. You are going to give a tick. Okay, children? Number 1, flowers, 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 or toys, toys. Flowers or toys. Flowers or toys. Which is a group word? Flowers. Very good. Give a tick. And then number 2, colors, colors, or pencils, pencils. Colors or pencils? Colors. Very good. And then number 3, animals, animals, or vehicles, vehicles. Animals or vehicles. Very good. Animals. Give a tick. And number 4, trees, trees, or books, books. Trees or books? Very good. Trees. Shall we pass on to the next one, children? Yes. Now, the last one, writing. Last one, writing. Part K, write 5 sentences about Seema. We learnt about Seema, no, in this lesson? Yes. Number 1, SEEMA, Seema. CAN, can. TIE, tie. HER, hair. Seema can tie her dash. In the bracket, you have the options. SHOE, shoe. LACES, laces. Shoelaces or books. BOOKS, books. Here you have a picture, no? What Seema is doing? She is tying up the shoelace, no? Yes. So you have to write the spelling for shoelaces. Okay? Now, number 2, SEEMA, Seema can dash. DRIVE, drive, or READ, read. Seema can read. Very good. Seema can read. Next, SEEMA, Seema. CAN, WRITE, write. Seema can, what she is doing? She is writing. Seema can write. Seema can write. Number 1, Seema can tie her shoelace. Look at the picture. If you have a doubt, look at the picture. Seema can tie her shoelaces. Seema can read. Seema can write. Very good. Number 4, what Seema is doing? She is climbing up the trees. Very good. Look at number 4. SEEMA, Seema. CAN, can. CLIMB, climb. TREES, trees. Seema can climb trees. Okay? Now, look at the 5th one. SEEMA, Seema. can. DANCE, dance. She is dancing, no? Yes. Seema can dance. Seema can drive or dance? She can dance. She can dance. Seema can climb trees. Seema can dance. Good. Shall we pass on to the homework? What is today's homework? Homework, complete the lesson. Now you watch through the video, the book exercise, no? Yes, those book exercises you have to complete in your English reader. The pages are from 19 to 22. You have to complete this and post it to me. Okay children, all should complete the homework on the day itself. Okay, don't make it delay. Okay children, very good. You all are good children. Thank you children. Thank you so much. Thank you.